Hello everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to add songs to Instagram story. And yes, this method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. Before starting the video, please make sure Instagram app is updated. Open the Instagram from your phone. Now tap on this plus icon and tap on the story section from this list. Now select any photo that you would like to share as a story on Instagram and then tap on next. From the top of the screen, tap on this music icon. Now you can select any songs you want. If your desired songs is not here, then you can search for your songs by tapping here. To add a songs, just tap on the song's name. Then it will automatically be added to your story. You can just adjust the song's start and end time. When you are done, tap on done. Now tap on share. If you would like to share this story as well as on Facebook, then tap on share stories. Otherwise, tap on not now. Then tap on done and tap on OK. Wait a few seconds to make this story post. Here is our story with songs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.